Hello everybody, this is Abraham with Nashar Computer Services. What I'd like to show you is something that happened when we purchased a brand new computer and simply allowed it to install a driver for the printer. This is a HP computer and Brother printer. The HP had found the drivers and this is how the prints were coming out. It took me a while to realize what is going on. All of the all of the Brother printers that we had, which was several, printed white on black, and there is no setting in the driver in the printer controls to do the inverse print. There is no settings whatsoever. The Brothers are black and white printers, and they all printed like that. After going online to Brother's website, downloading the updated drivers, uh, it printed properly. I don't have the black and white print, but it eventually started printing like it's supposed to. I was blown away. I've never seen this kind of problem before. So if somebody comes across where you install a printer by default from the Windows, I guess Microsoft's driver, and it does that for you, be aware. Download the original driver from the manufacturer. That will fix your issue. There have been some other issues with HP printers, and those issues are when you install the Windows driver, it sees the printer right away, but later it might not see the printer. You may have to download the driver from the manufacturer for printer to work properly. Please be aware of that. Hopefully this helps somebody reduce their frustration. And if you like my videos, give me likes, subscribe, enjoy, and save money.